guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today I would like to give you an invitation, invite you for an open invite. It's called Trash to Treasure. It is my seasonal Trash to Treasure. So this is the summer edition. And my co-host for this challenge is Lisa from Lisa and Company. If you haven't checked out Lisa's channel, make sure you do so. She does some wonderful DIYs. She's a fellow Canadian as well. So we thought we'd team up and invite you to join us for the Trash to Treasure. So this is a thrifted Trash to Treasure, so you need to go out, if you can, to a to a thrift store, Goodwill. I don't think anybody's garage selling, but maybe Facebook Marketplace or Kijiji. I know the thrift stores are opening up, had opened up in our area just this past week. So if they're open, go ahead. If not, maybe there is a thrifted item that you had purchased before that you have on hand, or maybe something that a family member is getting rid of. That's an option as well. The upload date is June 11th at 8 a.m. and I will have a playlist linked down below on that day in my video. There is no budget. It can be a very small item or it can be a piece of furniture. It really does not matter. If you want to show us something that you are incorporating into your summer decor, but it doesn't really have to be like, these are my seasonal challenges, but I know that things are a little different now, so it's pretty much anything you can find that you want to upcycle and make it fit your style, maybe your decor. So the rules are very simple. So there's no budget. It has to be an upcycled type of thing, so not something that you make out of trash, but something that you redo, you spruce it up to suit your style. So no budget. You have to be subscribed to my channel and Lisa's channel. You have to mention our channels in the description box in your video, as well as the playlist in the description box and in your video. So like I said, upload date is June 11th at 8 a.m. and I hope you guys can join me and Lisa, and let's have some fun. So until next time, thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.